Do you wish you could get more things done each day? In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 powerful tips you can implement in your life to have a more productive day. Here's powerful tip number 1. Your productive day starts the night before. So the night before, take 5 minutes and look at the activities you have for the following day. List them. Ask yourself, what must be done tomorrow? And you may have activities that are work-related, maybe school-related, maybe you are a busy mom, a busy dad, so a busy family, you have activities with the children. List all your activities there, prioritize them, rank them number 1, 2, 3, put the main thing as the main thing. And then you have a list, a to-do list of activities for the following day. Powerful tip number 2. Your morning routine sets the tone for a productive day. And here I'm gonna use the biopsychosocial spiritual model. That is a model that counselors use when they work with clients. It's important to start the day well in these 4 areas of life so that you can stay motivated through the day and be productive. Start with a healthy breakfast. For example, I like to start with a delicious fruit juice that gives me a lot of energy. And also, you may like to go jogging or running, or if that's too much for you, maybe a good walk. That helps get your body going and gives you energy for the day. In the psychological area, it's important to start with a positive attitude. So you may want to read a motivational quote, but you also may want to be thankful and verbalize things that you are thankful for. For example, you may be thankful for your family. So say, I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my job. I'm thankful for my friends. If you're single, you may have roommates. I'm thankful for my roommates. In the social area, it's important to start in a positive way by having positive interactions, by affirming, encouraging the people who live in your household. And in the spiritual area, a lot of Christians have heard, start your day with a devotional. What does that mean? That means you read one verse or a part of the Bible and you meditate, you think about what is the message here and what does that mean to me? What does that mean to my day? Doing those things in these 4 areas of life, you're going to be more motivated and you're going to start your day in a positive way. Share in the comments below a tip or a strategy that you use that makes you have a more productive day. I'll see you in the next video. Have a productive day.